Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to do a video of this Blanchard model 22D showing the electrical cabinet with the newly installed stop-start unit. We're going to go ahead and take a quick look at that. Here's the outside of it. Working great. Running clean. We take a little bit of a step back. Here's the manual for the machine, showing the overall panel. Okay, we'd like to go around to the front of the machine and show you the general operation of the table coming on and the table coming off. Go ahead, Frankie, let's take a look. Very clean, very quiet, very smooth. So we just wanted to point this out to you on behalf of Machinery Consultants. Thanks for reviewing this video. We'll give you one more general overview of the machine. Alright, well thanks again for reviewing this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. Thanks again and have a great day.